Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. Hey math stars, how are you today? Well, the last few days we've been sorting, classifying, that's a big word, classify, which just means to sort things or to group things together. We've done it by color, we've done it by shape, we've classified by size. You guys have become master classifiers. Today, we're going to classify by count. What does that mean by count? Well, I'm glad you asked. I will show you. Lesson 4, Module 4, Lesson 4. I can sort a group of objects, find the total in each category, and sort the objects by count. That's what we're doing today. Some animals just magically appeared here. So I'm going to sort these right now. Just what's a good way to sort them? What do you think? Let's do it by color. I think that's a good idea. So yellow, let's find all the yellow ones. Oops. I guess that's what happens when you use a board with a hole in it. It fell through. Actually, I think it was just that rabbit trying to escape from all these dinosaurs. So there's my yellow. Let's sort my red ones over here. And let's put my green ones in the middle. Okay. All right. Do I have them sorted in a good way? Yes. Let's count how many yellow we have. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow. Let's count how many green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many red. 1, 2, 3. So when I'm sorting by count, I'm looking and I'm saying, which ones have groups of, which ones are 3 in a group? Well, I would say yellow and red. I'm sorting those by the count, meaning how many of each I have. See, I have 3 yellow and 3 red. So this is going to be 1 over here, and these are my groups of 4. Okay? All right, let's go to your book. All right, so right now you're going to go to page 93. Do you know what a 93 looks like? I'll show you. First, it has a 9 for 90. What number do you think it is next? 93. 93. All right, go to that page in your book. If you don't have your book yet, pause. Go get your book and a pencil. And you can get crayons if you want, okay? All right. So here we are on page 93. Listen to this story. Draw the crayons to represent the story. Count how many crayons in each category and sort the categories by count. Lincoln has 5 crayons. He has 5 crayons total, okay? In 3 different colors. How can Lincoln classify the crayons? How many crayons are in each category? How can Lincoln sort by count? So first, you can choose any color. So if you have your crayons with you, you just pick 3 colors, any 3 colors. All right, and I'm going to do a line here. I'm going to do 1 red. I'm going to do 1 blue. And I'm going to do 1 green. Now, I know that Lincoln has 5 crayons. Let's count how many crayons I have right now. 1, 2, 3. I don't have 5. I'm going to do another green one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to do another blue one. How many do I have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. So they're sorted by color right now, right? I have my greens here, my blues here, and my ones here. But if we're sorting by count, Lincoln might say, okay, I want to know which color do I have one of, and which colors do I have two of? So how would we do that? Which group has one? What color? Did you say red? You're right, red. Now, which crayons does he have two of? Blue. Good. What other color? Green. Right. That's how we sort by count. We're seeing which one does he have one of and which one does he have two of. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next page. Here we go. This is what your page should look like. Okay, so when you see this line up here at the top, this dotted line right here, when we're talking about the story, we're talking about all the shapes that are up above it. Okay, so let's read. We're going to classify the shapes. You're going to listen to the story. You're going to classify the shapes in each category. You're going to sort them by count. Okay, so first we're going to classify them, meaning we're going to write how many squares, circles, and triangles there are. So let's do that first. Let's count how many squares. And when I'm counting things, sometimes it's a good idea to put an X on it so that you don't forget to count one or that you don't count one twice. So let's do that. 1, 2, is this a square? Is this a square? 3. So I have 3 squares. Can you write that? All right, you might want to pause while you do that. Okay, let's count the circles. Is this a circle? 1, 2, what? Stop. Oh, that's a triangle. Silly me, silly math wizard. You're right. Let's go back. 1 circle, not a circle. 2 circles. So I'm going to write a 2 right here. 2 circles. Now, how many triangles? 1, 2. 2 triangles. Nice job. Okay. And if you need to write those numbers, you can pause. Okay, so now the tricky part. We have them sorted by shape, but now we need to sort them into categories by count. So what that means is, see this number 2? This is like a table right here. So we're going to put all the shapes that have 2, we're going to put them in here. So are there 2 squares? No. Are there 2 circles? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a circle here because circles are they have 2, right? There are 2 circles, so that goes in that category. Now, how about triangles? Are there 2? Yes, so we can put a triangle here. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay, how many shapes are there? 3. How many of them have 3? Just the square. So we can draw a square. Okay, and that's how we sort them by count. When I look at this box, I can say, oh, here's the number 2. That means I have 2 circles and 2 triangles. And this is in the 3 row. So I know that there are 3 squares. And that's how we sort by count. All right, nice job. That was hard work. Whew. I want you to kiss your brain. Say, I'm a master. Nice job. Now this is on your own. Okay, that means I'm going to give you directions and then you're going to do it. And then you're going to show that paper to your homeschool teacher. Okay, just so they can make sure you understand. So let's listen. Classify the shells by size. That's, again, we're looking at these shells up here. We're classifying them by size. All right. Write the number of shells in each category. Draw in the chart to show how many show the categories sorted by count. Okay, so here we go. Logan has 6 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are his shells up here. Logan has 6 shells of 2 different sizes. 2 sizes. What sizes do you see? Okay, so here's a little. So count how many of this size there are and write that number. And then count how many there are of this size and write that number. And then you're going to put them in a box. Now, on this side, do you remember right here? It was 2. The 2 is there for you. But Math Wizard, there's no number here. I know. That means when you have the small ones, when you count them, you're going to write that number here too. And then tell me which one. Small, big, big, small, whichever you want, okay? But you're going to put them by count. So, like here, we did, 2. Which ones had 2? If you remember, it was a circle. We put the circle and the triangle. So here, you're going to put which size, okay? All right, that's on your own. I want you to pause while you do that. But there's another one. Okay, you finished number 3. Nice. Now there's another on your own. And this is when you can use crayons again. All right. Listen to this story. Color each button red, orange, or blue. But Math Wizard, my favorite color is pink. Today we're not doing your favorite color. Maybe for art you can do your favorite color. Today you're doing red, orange, and blue. Okay? You're going to classify the buttons by color. Write the number of buttons in each category. Draw in the chart to show the categories by count. Amelia had 8 buttons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 buttons. In 3 different colors to classify. She wants to know how many buttons are in each category. Then she wants to sort them by count. So, my friends, you're going to color. What colors? The colors are right here. Red, orange, and blue. So that shows you. So you're just going to color them in, okay? It doesn't matter how many. Just, you don't want to do them all the same color, right? So I'm just going to do some. You can color as many as you want, the different colors. I'm just showing you the different colors, okay? You don't have to color them like I am. Okay, you can do them however you want. Just use those 3 colors, red, orange, and blue. Okay, so you're going to do red, orange, and blue. You're going to count them and put however many red buttons you have right here, how many orange buttons you have right here, how many blue buttons you have right here. Then you're going to put the numbers and what color in each one, just like we did back here on the other page, just like we did with those shapes, okay? You're doing that. Now, pause this. When you're done, I want you to take it to your homeschool teacher and make sure she understood or he understood, whoever's homeschooling you, okay? Awesome job sorting, classifying by count today. Excellent. Have a great day tomorrow.